So I have some very good questions from the audience. Some were so brilliant that they were already questions I've asked, so I've set them down. But I wanted to ask one last one, a matter of sort of Pakistani domestic affairs, but of interest to U.S. foreign policy. You have elections coming sooner rather than later. What's the foreign policy difference between PMLN and PTI at this stage, would you say?
I would call myself, if I'm allowed that indulgence, that we are much more liberal than PTI in political sense, on foreign policy front. They appeal more to people who are on religious fringes sometimes. Even today I read a statement by PTI leader. But let's not, I don't want to wash our dirty linen on this international forum, you know. We have enough of that back home in Pakistan. But